Hello, so we are conducting this interview for our subject, Industrial Marketing. So we are the Group 9 students and we are developing a business idea, and our goal here is to hear your thoughts for the perspective of a buyer. So the first question is, how will you be able to measure the level of demand of the products from your customer?
I think I'll be able to measure the demand by knowing what the consumers need the most. For example, if today the virus is spreading worldwide, then the demand for face masks and alcohols will be higher. That's why they're gonna release more supply.
Okay, so next is, who is responsible for making the decision making when it comes to the quantity of products required to supply the demand of the customer?
I think it's the suppliers who have the right to make such decisions, because the less the demand of the product, then the less the releasing of the supply.
Okay, so the third one is, are there times that the delivery schedule of products is delayed for more than 3 days?
Yes, it happens a lot actually. We, the buyers as well as the sellers, really don't have control over that, especially with such situations like bad weather. It can block the roads or slow down the delivery.
Okay, thank you. So the last question is, are there any particular issues present in your relationship with your supplier?
Yes, there are times that suppliers are not being honest about the quality of the products and also not giving me the notice with my order. There are also times that the orders are missing and some of them are damaged.
Okay, so that would be all. Thank you so much. Hello, so I'm going to ask you a series of questions regarding with our subject, B2B business. So how do you deal with a demanding customer?
For me, I will do whatever the customers ask of me. Whenever he or she becomes demanding, I would always think that the customer is always right. So if I could do it, I will do it, so that in return, my customers will be satisfied with my performance and will eventually praise me for my deeds.
Okay, so what would you do to accommodate and solve a problem with customers' uncertainties regarding product?
So I would first identify the main problem of my product. Then I will solve it by finding the source of the problem. With my knowledge of my field, I will answer all my customers' queries, so that he will be able to be informed well of the function or that background regarding my product. If the product is defective by nature, I will replace it with a new one.
So the third one is, how will you build a rapport and earn the trust of your customer?
It is important to build a rapport with your customers so that our customers will be able to trust us. They say first impression lasts. If the customer's impression of yours is not so good, they might never trust you again or buy your product. Rate them calmly with a smile and attend to their needs. Having a knowledge on your product is a big plus too.
Okay, so the last one is, do you have a good relationship with your customers?
Of course, I'm not being boastful here, but you will be able to measure the good relationship built with your customers. Using the feedback that they give, they will come to you again because they think they are in a good hands and you already earned their trust. So I can say, while I'm still at my line of work, that I have built a good relationship with my customers.